Welcome to DbdbTap. Today, I'll show you how to create a project, make templates, and generate code using DbdbTap. But we need database schema information to generate code. So we will input the schema info as well. But before that, you are going to see the process of signing up because there is something you should know in the process. Click Go to DbdbTap now to start. I assume you have a Google account. Click the Sign in with Google button and choose your account to sign in. If you haven't signed up yet, you will see this screen. Select your language first of all. Enter your nickname here. This nickname here can be printed in your generated code using the programmer name tag in the template. You should also set this password. This password is required for deleting projects or leaving DbdbTap. If you forget your password, you can request a password reset, and then a new password will be sent to the email address you provided. Collected from your Google account. Make sure you check out the privacy policy and terms of service and agree to them to complete the sign-up process. Please read the explanation on the right side. Enter all the required information and click Join. A welcome message will appear. Click the Start Now button to proceed. After signing up, you will be taken to the project list screen. There won't be any projects yet. Now, click the Start a Project button. This is the new project input screen. Before entering the information, please read the explanations on the right. Enter a great project name here. This project name can be inserted in the generated code by writing the project name or project title tag in your template. The token is a unique key for the project and it must be in Java package name format. Enter the package name you want here. As long as it's not blank, anything will do though. You can use the root package tag in the template to enter this package name in the final code. Select the database you are using. I chose MariaDB. Let's not copy templates from an existing project because we are going to create a new template this time. There's nothing special about the project period. It's just a reminder for the project members. You can here set whether all project members can edit the templates or only those with permission. You should set this password to join if you want to invite other users to the project. Any user who wants to join your project should enter this password along with the project token in the participation request form. Now click the Save button to start our great project. My great project is now on the list. Click the project with your mouse to enter the project. Now you are inside the project. Select the Database tab to input the schema info. Click the Manual Schema Input button to input the database schema info. You should be able to access the target database using an appropriate database management tool. If you don't have such a database yet, you can just watch me doing it now and try it later. Let's start manual schema input. Enter the schema name here and click Next. Copy the SQL for table, view, and column information retrieval. Then paste it into your database management tool. I'm using dbeaver by the way. Execute it. Copy the entire result and paste it back into DbdbTap. The pasted text should be separated by tabs. Copy the SQL for foreign key information retrieval. Execute it and copy the result. Paste it below. Go to the next step and check the content. If the tables don't appear nicely, it means the copied text is not in TSV format. If that's the case, you should find a way to convert it to TSV. Click the Save button to save the schema info. After closing, you can see the table list on the left. If there are views in the schema, they will be listed as well. In the middle, you can see the columns of the selected table. On the right, you can see the reference relationship information. Now, go to the Template tab to create groups and templates. The empty box on the left is where you can see a tree of groups and templates if you have any. I'm going to create a template, but I need a template group to contain the template. So let's create 3 groups for the backend app for now. I'm creating a group for stored procedures. Save it. Create a group for backend data. Save it. Finally, create a group for other backend classes. You can drag and drop the created groups to change the order. Let's add a Java video to the backend data group. You see the hamburger menu at the end of the group name. Select the Add Template menu. Enter Java video in the template title. Check the template group here. Select the language. I will set the subpackage name as model.vo. In the file name template, I'm going to use table name template tag like this, and then append the vo.java like this. You can write the template from scratch if you want, but you can also copy and paste the existing source code and modify it. This is the code I copied from my project on my laptop. I'm going to set the video class name like this. Table name with a video postfix as a convention. So I will use the table name tag. This way the name of this video class will be determined based on the table you apply. You see the T and N are capitalized. It means the first letter of every word of a table name separated by underscore will be capitalized, and the other letters will be in lowercase when it's applied. For example, if you apply a table name user underscore info, U and I will be capitalized. The member variables correspond to the columns in the table. We need a tag to iterate all the columns. So we use the for columns tag followed by an equal sign and add the internal template after that. This internal template thing will be used while iterating over all columns. Inside the internal template, you can use internal tags. Unlike external tags, internal tags use symbols like this, or this. Other than that, just enter the text as it is. Here we will write protected type name and member variable name in this inner template. So after the protected keyword, we need internal tags, $sign and Java type, and $sign and column name, and then a semicolon. The first letter of the column name should be lowercase, and the first letter of each word except the first one should be uppercase, and the rest lowercase. It represents camel case. Add a line break after that. This way the line breaks will be inserted as it is when the code is generated. This is all you need to know to generate a video class template. But let's check out other general template tags, which means tags for general information. This part is the root package, so we will use the root package template tag. You can try finding tags by clicking the Find the Template Tag button. Enter package here to find it. Select the root package and click the tag you want to use. Voila! It's copied to where your cursor is. This part should be the subpackage we've just entered above. Find it again using the same button. Yes, here it is. Select the subpackage tag and it's done. I'll use the table name tag here. I want to insert the table comment here. Let's check if there is search your tag. Type comment, select the table comment tag. I want to insert the project name here, so add this tag. Almost all tags use a hyphen sign in the template name. Exceptions are some table name and column name tags. Hyphen sign is easier to type in, isn't it? You can make the generated code have the time when it is generated using a tag. Open the tag browser again and find it. Type now. Okay, this tag will be replaced with the current date and time when the code is generated. Likewise, you can put the name of the programmer, meaning the user of this template, when the code is generated. Use the programmer name tag. Please read the reference manual or search using the tag browser you've seen seconds ago to find other interesting template tag goodies. Save it now. Now let's see if it really works. Go to Generate Code and select Java Video Template. We need a selected table. How about user info? The template and table are selected. It's ready. I will generate the Java video code for the user info table. Click it. It's done. Check what happens to the newly generated code by comparing it to the template here. Let me generate code applying another table and another one. It's very predictable, isn't it? Imagine you have 100 tables and thousands of columns. And it's not limited to Java Video. Today we signed up, create a project, input the DB schema, edit template groups, and made a Java Video template to generate code. It's hard to show everything in one video due to the time limit. I'll show you how to create other different templates in another video. Until the next video, happy coding!